I have to add some fish, but I'm waiting for the water to get filled with some good beneficial bacteria. The Betta can handle it, but the fish that I want to add, I just want to make sure the water's just right. So this is my 10-gallon. I added those skulls. It's pretty cool. I like it. The Betta could go around the back and seek shelter back there. Come out through the eye socket. Pretty cool. He has a lot of hiding spots. I added some bamboo plants in there. I cut the stem so it fits good. I put one in each corner. And I got some other plants in there that I got from Petco. This Anubias, I guess. I put one on this side and one on this side. And rocks, got some rocks in there. Natural gravel to reduce the stress. Because people be putting those neon pink and neon blue and all those colors. That stresses the fish out. Got to be natural. And I threw some marbles in there. But yeah, this is my new 10-gallon setup. Next weekend, I'll add some fish. A couple of cories, zebra danios, and maybe some dwarf frogs. I'll get like 2 little dwarf frogs or ghost shrimp. Yeah. And I'll add them in there. Those are my parakeets going crazy right now. They're being very playful. I have them in the middle of the living room because they're on wheels and they hang out with me on the weekend in the living room because I like to watch them. I have a sun lamp on them, and I keep that sun lamp on them like 12 hours a day so that I get natural sun. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I take care of my birds. And Sam's napping right there. He's taking his afternoon siesta. And remember the small cage? I made it into like a fairy cage. Yeah, so my fairy, hanging fairy's in there. She's held captive, but she's surrounded by flowers and everything, so she's cool in there. So yeah, my parakeets are playing. My parakeets are awesome. They're healthy, they're thriving, and they're pretty cool. And yeah. Jan is in the room playing with my granddaughter, making all kind of sounds and laughing. She's cleaning her room actually. So yeah, I have a couple of crystals here. So see my crystals? They're like for protection, so my tank will do good. I keep them in front because I believe in the power of the crystal. Yeah, my Betta went in some kind of shelter back there. I have a lot of little hiding spots for him. So yeah, this is my 10-gallon. I did pretty good, I think. Okay, later.